Hey there, welcome to SaaS Talk. Today I'm going to talk about three leading ERP solutions, Odoo, Zoho and Next ERP. In this video, we will explore the features, usability, customization options, pricing and support offered by each platform. Whether you are a small business owner, an enterprise executive or an ERP enthusiast, join me as we uncover which solutions might be the best fit for your needs. Let's dive in. Odoo is a versatile open-source ERP platform offering a modular approach to business management. Zoho, on the other hand, provides a suite of cloud-based applications including CRM, accounting, and project management. And the Next ERP is an open-source ERP platform tailored for small to medium-sized businesses, offering comprehensive features and customization options. Now let's talk about the key features of these three ERP solutions provider and how they stand out from each other. Odoo offers a wide range of features across various modules. Its modular approach allows businesses to pick and choose the functionalities they require, making it suitable for businesses of all sizes. On the other hand, Zoho offers a suite of applications covering CRM, accounting, HR, and more, all seamlessly integrated with each other. Its user-friendly interface and comprehensive features make it a popular choice for businesses looking for an all-in-one solution. And finally, the Next ERP provides essentials modules such as accounting, HR, CRM, and inventory management, all integrated within a single platform. Its simplicity and ease of use make it ideal for small to medium-sized businesses seeking straightforward ERP solutions. Now let's find out how usable they are. In terms of usability, Odoo offers a clean and intuitive interface, albeit with a slightly steeper learning curve due to its extensive feature set. Once users become familiar with the platform, its customizable dashboards and workflows enhance productivity and streamline operations. Zoho's user-friendly interface and straightforward navigations make it easy for users to manage their business's process efficiently. Its seamless integration with other Zoho applications ensures a smooth workflow and enhanced collaboration across teams. And the Next ERP provides a simple and intuitive interface, making it easy for users to navigate through different modules. Its streamlined workflows and customizable dashboards enhance productivity, reducing the learning curve for new users. I think you're waiting to know about its customization capability, right? Let's find out how customizable they are. Odoo offers unparalleled customization capabilities in its modular structure, allowing businesses to tailor the ERP systems to their specific requirements. With thousands of apps available in the Odoo marketplace and the ability to develop custom modules, businesses have unparalleled flexibility to adapt Odoo to their unique needs. Zoho provides extensive customization options, allowing businesses to customize workflows, feeds, and layouts according to their specific requirements. Additionally, Zoho's Open API enables seamless integrations with third-party applications, further enhancing its customization capabilities. And the Next ERP offers comprehensive customization options, allowing businesses to tailor the platform to their unique requirements. From custom workflows to personalized dashboards, Next ERP empowers users to adapt the systems to their specific needs. I know you are so excited to know the pricing, isn't it? Now I'm going to compare the pricing of these three leading ERP solutions provider so that you can compare which is good fit for your business. Odoo offers both Community Editions, which is free and open source, and the Enterprise Edition with additional features and support available on a subscription basis. While the Community Editions may be suitable for small businesses with limited requirements, larger enterprises may find the Enterprise Editions more suitable for their needs. Zoho follows a subscription-based pricing model, with pricing tiers based on the number of users and desired features, while initial cost may be higher. Zoho's comprehensive feature set justifies the investment for many businesses. And the Next ERP offers a freemium pricing model, with a free tier available for small businesses and startups. Additionally, Next ERP is paid plans offers additional features and support, making it a cost-effective option for businesses looking to scale their operation. Are you waiting to know the level of customer support you may expect from them? Odoo offers various support options including email support, phone support, and a community forum. Users can also opt for paid support packages for faster resolutions of issues and dedicated assistance from Odoo experts. Zoho provides dedicated customer support through various channels including phone, email, and live chat. Additionally, users have access to knowledge base and community forums for self-help and peer support. And the Next ERP provides support through documentations, forums, and ticket-based assistance for premium users, while the level of support may vary depending on the subscription plan. ERPNext dedicated team strives to assist users with any issues they encounter. And finally, Odoo, Zoho, and Next ERP are formidable ERP solutions, each with its own strengths and advantages. Odoo's modular approach and extensive customization options cater to business of all sizes and industries, while Zoho's suite of cloud-based applications offers a seamless and integrated solutions for businesses looking for an all-in-one platform. Next ERP's simplicity and ease of use make it an excellent choice for small to medium-sized businesses seeking straightforward ERP solutions. Ultimately, the choice between Odoo, Zoho, and Next ERP depends on your specific business needs, budget, and preferences. We hope this comparison has provided valuable insights to help you make an informed decision. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, goodbye.